Okay, so we go to adsmanager.facebook.com. So you can directly log into Ads Manager without going to Facebook page, or you can go from Facebook page also.
Okay.
You can type adsmanager.facebook.com. Okay, it's Ads Manager. Okay, so fine. Okay, so we have done leads management ad we have done. So we have two ads remaining. One is app promotion and one is sales. So now, say app promotion ads can be done if we only have a mobile app on Play Store or App Store. So otherwise, it would be a bit difficult. So we will try to do the ad with some other person's app, but that is not valid. We cannot promote other people's app because say like how we added this our website into search console, and we had to verify our website. The same way, when it comes to app, we have to verify our app by installing SDK in the app. So that is software development kit. So it's again a piece of code that we need to add in the app, and then say it will be verified and it will be connected with this our Facebook ads manager. So then only we can use this. But say now, since we do not have an app, so I had an app, but say right now it is again into maintenance. So right now I do not have, so I will still continue. And why this app promotion? So this is good for app installation and app events. So app install is, say, you have a new app. Now whenever a person has a new app which is uploaded on Play Store, the first thing a person wants is that they want more and more installation, because if they have more installation, then only people will use their app. So and then say the revenues are generated. So for that reason, we can use the app promotion when the app is new. And the second thing is app event. So that is engagement again. So it's like engagement that we did. That was for the post, but over here this is engagement in the app, within the app, wherein we want people to use our app for various reasons. So that is app events. So app events is any action a user takes on the app or in the app. So let's begin. So we start with app promotion ads. We
Hmm.
select app promotion and we click on continue, and then we need to select manual app promotion campaign. That is because we can set all the criterias as per our requirement, because in automated campaign we will not be able to select all the options. So first of all, we need to know what are the options available. So then I select this, and I click on continue. Now we need to provide the name of the campaign. So it will keep it as say app promotion campaign for some app. Okay. And then on this page, as such, we don't need to do anything, because say we do not belong to any of these categories. So I don't need to select anything. So like financial products and services, employment, housing, and social issues, elections and politics, we do not need to. We do not believe. We do not belong to any of these categories. So we do not need to declare it. So we leave this blank. Then the next thing is buying type is auction, and then the campaign objective that we have selected is app promotion. Now the advantage campaign budget, we can keep it off or we can keep it on. If we keep it on, then we give the controls to Facebook to manage the bids in the auction, and if we keep it off, then we can manage our bids. So we can basically we can control the cost that okay, I do not want to overspend this particular bid, so that is the reason we can keep it off. Now if your campaign is say running on iOS 14 plus campaigns, then you need to select this option. You can create a campaign to help reach people using OS 14.5, but that is if you have your this app on App Store, but say we'll select say this Play Store. For that reason, we'll not select this option. And then A/B testing, that is in case if you want, if you are spending a very high budget on the ads, then you definitely want to test which ad template works the best. Then in that case, you can create multiple templates and multiple ads that okay, which ad works the best. So for that reason, you can use A/B testing. But for training purpose, we are not using it. So I click on next, and after that, we add all the uh, criteria related to ad sets. So that is again app promotion and ad set for some app. And then now we need to select that where is our app located. So I can select or any store, say like it's on Google Play Store or Apple App Store or App Store for iPad or Windows Store or Facebook Canvas and Amazon App Store or Games or MetaQuest App Store. So like this, there are various stores available. You need to provide that okay, where exactly your app is located. So I'll select Google Play Store, and then you can select the name of the app. So if your app is available, then your app will come up. So right now my app is not available, so I do not see my app over here. So let's select any app over here, or if you do not find your app, you can also copy the URL and paste it over here. So I'll just select so over here you can see not connected to your ad account, means that SDK is not installed. So for that reason we cannot do this ad, but still I will select this ad and continue the process. I might get some warnings and errors while publishing, but we will not publish this ad because it is not connected to the app. So over here it says that view this app in your selected app store. So I mean this is just in case if you want to check this and verify the app, then you can just click on this link and it will take you to this particular URL. After that, we need to select what is the performance goal. So the most important thing is the app promotion goal, that what is the end result that we want by running this ad. So the first option is maximize number of app events, maximize number of app installs, and the last option is maximize number of clicks. So we have three options. So in this case, the best option is we want more installation. So I'll select this second option, that is maximize number of app installation. So it says that we'll try to show your ads to the people most likely to install your app. So I'll select this option. So my goal is set. And after that okay, it's still loading, but on the right hand side you can see the results, that okay, how many people it is reaching. You can see approximately 41,000 to 1,19,000 we will be reaching on a daily basis. So our ad will be shown to this many people, but this is not the installation. The installation is over here. It says that we will be getting approximately 107 to 309 installation per day. This is the installation. So now, but again this is going to change once we add the budget and the bid. So these figures are going to change. because by default if we check, then say it might be say current budget is 1600. So this is coming up automatically. I'll put 500 rupees. So if I put 500 rupees, let us see what is the result that we are getting. So now you can see it has reduced. So now it is 13,000 to 37,000, and the installations are say 33 to 96 installation per day. So, and again, the location is pan India. So again, if we remove India and I select only any particular state or country, then say I mean particular state or city, then again this is going to reduce. But now since this is an app promotion ad, we want people around the world to install our app. So even if I keep India, it's still absolutely fine with us, because this is not, we are not selling a product. We want people to install our app. So for that reason, I'm selecting India. You can also select multiple countries and multiple cities also over here. So this is what we have selected, and over here show more options. So in this more options, let us see what we are getting. We need to select the minimum age a person we want to show our ad to. So minimum is 18, so that's fine, not a problem. And after that, we want to add the audiences. So you can switch to original audience, or you can suggest an audience over here. So let me see over here. You can see use saved audiences. In case if I want to select the audience, so I have already saved the audiences in my previous the ads which I had run. So this, you don't need to add the audience categories and the age group and everything again and again, and it will save your time. Maybe 10-15 minutes of your time will be saved in each ad. So for that reason, once you select everything, you get the option to save your audience. So you can see this button over here. This button will you can click and you can give a name of your audience, and then you can click on save button and it will get saved. So this is the save audience option. So we can select the audience. But now what happens if I do not select any audience? So if I do not select any audience, I had many of them, many of my students saying that our ad will not run because we haven't selected any audience. But as such, it doesn't happen like this, because say audience, adding an audience is just providing a suggestion to Facebook that okay, this is the audience that I'm looking at, and please show my ads to these categories of people. But if I do not show or say I do not add my audience, in that case what happens is that my ads will still run, and it will be shown to all of them who are related to my ad. Say suppose if I'm promoting digital marketing products, services, or apps, then it will be shown to everyone who is related, because Facebook has the history that okay, this account is related to digital marketing, or this person is searching for digital marketing products, or this person is searching for digital marketing courses. So they have all the history in their account. So for that reason, it will show my ads again only to those people who are related to it. Now again, my app will not be shown to some any other category of people, like say engineering, mechanical, chemical, civil. My ads will not be shown to those kind of people. They will be shown only to the people who are related to my ad, products, or services. So I'm not selecting the audience in this ad. And then over here, advantage audiences. So you can see our ad technology automatically finds your audience. If you share an audience suggestion, we will prioritize audience matching this profile before searching more widely. So definitely it is going to search more widely, but it will automatically find your audience. We do not need to provide any suggestion. Over here it says that if you share an audience suggestion, we'll prioritize the audience matching. So I mean they will prioritize that okay, this is the categories that we have selected, so they'll prioritize the audience. Those audience selection would be given priority, and my ads will be shown to them. So for that reason, but ideally, they will be searching more widely related to find our audiences. So for that reason, I said that I will not be adding any audience, because there are chances that if I add some audience over here, then maybe I might miss a lot of people who might really be interested, and I might not even know. So for that reason, I would not add my audience and let Meta do their work, and they will definitely search my audience more efficiently, because they have all the accounts and they have all the history of the users on Facebook. So I'm not selecting any audience. The next thing is placement over here. So placement is if you want to know that okay, where exactly your ads are going to be displayed, on which platforms it will be displayed. So I can click on manual placements just to check where exactly my ads are going to be shown. So here we can see they are going to be shown on all four platforms of Facebook, that is Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, and Messenger. So all the four platforms it is being showing, and we can see at most of the places the ads are being shown. So like this we can get to know that okay, my ads are going to come up in all these places. So now I can switch back to Advantage Plus placements. So this is to maximize the budget and help our ads to show to more unique users, audiences. So this is the reason we select this. And the other option is that automatically wherever our ads are eligible, it will be shown on those platforms. But if I select manual, say maybe you want your ads to be shown only on Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, Facebook Stories, Instagram Stories, only these four placements you want to show your ads, in that case you can select manual placements and you can uncheck rest of the options, and you can just select those four placements. So that can be done. But I would not suggest that, because we might be missing out on lots of opportunities at other placements. So for that reason, this is always used, and it is recommended also by Meta. So we should always use whatever is recommended. So after that, and why should we use recommended? Because Meta knows their business very well, and they knows better how the ads manager is going to work. So definitely we'll use whatever is recommended. Then to be more specific, we can select the mobile devices and operating systems in case if we want. Maybe I want that my ad should be shown to Android devices, but I want to show it only on smartphones and not on tablets. And maybe I want to show it only on particular operating systems, or maybe only on Wi-Fi or data connection. So I can select this. So I can click on edit, and over here the choices available are Android devices only. And then under Android devices, smartphone all and tablets all is there, so that we can use. In case if you want to exclude any devices or include any devices, you can enter a name over here for including, and for excluding devices you can click on this, and you can say that okay, I don't want my ads to be shown on this particular model of the device. So I mean, maybe your app which you have created is not compatible on that particular platform. So for that reason, you want to exclude those devices. See, I mean, if those users are going to see your ad, definitely, even if they click on the ad and they go to Play Store, they'll not be able to install, because first place it is not compatible. So why waste money on showing ads to those devices, users of those devices? So in that case, I can use the exclude device features, and I can provide the device names like Samsung Galaxy S4, or maybe Lenovo K4 Note, or Lenovo K8 Note, or any other, say like Google Pixel 7 or Google Pixel any other devices. So I can provide the model name of the device which can be excluded. So I will exclude only the devices on which my device is not, my app is not compatible. So that I can add. Then I can select the minimum operating system. Now, if I say that my app will work only on operating systems working from Android 8 to the current version, then why will I select Android version 1.0a or 1.1 or 2 or 3 or 4? I don't want all my ads to be shown on all these devices. I mean, of course, there would be very, very less people using these old operating systems, but I would say that okay, fine. I want my ads to be shown from Android 8. So Android 8 Oreo till the maximum, that is the current version. So I'll select that is the Android 15 vanilla ice cream. So I'll select this. So now my ads will be shown from Android version 8 till Android version 15. Then I can select the next option, that if I select this option only when connected with Wi-Fi, then my ads will be shown only to the devices who are connected through Wi-Fi. But then people who are out of their home and offices and traveling and on the way, then they will not be able to see my ads. So for that reason, I will not select this. I want everybody to see my ad. So for that reason, I'll not check this. After that, I'll click next, and then we continue towards the ad creation process. So I'll just copy this name because we need to add that in the ad creation also. So I'll add the name over here. That will be the ad name. Now over here, I can select the page. Now you can see in all the ads, my Facebook page was coming up automatically, but over here, my Facebook page is not coming up. That is because my app is not associated with my Facebook page. So for that reason, I am not able to see this. So in that case, I will still manually select my page, that okay, I want my ad to be shown on my profile, and send people to App Store when they click on your profile picture. So in case if you want this option, then yes, you can select this. But definitely yes, we want people to click on the profile picture also, so they can click and go to the App Store wherever we have selected. So apart from the clicking on the button, so if we'll be selecting install button, so apart from clicking on the install button, they can install the app. But apart from that, even if a person is clicking on our profile photo, then also it will take them to Play Store. So this option is an added advantage because we do not know where exactly a person might click on the ad. For that reason, for the safety, we'll use this. And the Instagram account will automatically get selected, which is associated with my Facebook page. So previously it was not there, but once, as soon as I selected my Facebook page, automatically the Instagram account associated with the page came up automatically. Now we need to create the ad. So I can select the creative source, that is manual upload. So manually upload the images or videos. Then we have the option for flexible single image or a video or a carousel. So now I'm promoting an app, so I can upload one image or a video or a slideshow with multiple images that I can do. And that's it. So let me see where I can upload the images. Over here I can select the image ad or a video ad. So I can select image ad over here, and then first of all I need to add the primary text, so that I'll take it from my notepad. Okay, so in the primary text, that will be visible above the ad. So this would be the first thing on the top that they'll be seeing. So I can add a very good amount of text on the top, along with the links and phone number and all those things I can add. And I can add five primary text, but I'll keep it only one. And after that, maybe if you want to add something else, like you want to say that okay, call us on this number or visit our website, Then you can also select this option. You can just write that option as well. Then the next thing would be adding the headlines over here. So we can write a short headline. So that short headline, I can write anything. Let me see. Okay. So I'll use this headline over here. Okay. And I can add five headlines over here. So in case my ads will get shuffled with the image and it will create multiple ads I can use. So I'll use various headlines. Or else what I can do is I can select from the options which are generated by AI. I can use that, or else I can add my own. So I'll be adding my own headlines which I have created. All right, so we have added three. This would be four, and then the last one. Okay, so we have completed adding five of five headlines over here. So after that, I need to add a call to action. Let me see over here in this ad. If you noticed one thing, we do not have the option of adding a description. In all other ads, we had the option to add the primary text, headings, and description as well. But over here we have the option of primary text and headings only. So now the next is the call to action button that we want on the ad. So the install now is the best option that we can use. The other options are like shop now, book now, download, explore more, learn more, listen now, order now. So I mean these are all the other call to action buttons. But since we are promoting the installation of the app, I will select install now. That is by default coming selected automatically depending on the app and the performance goal that we had selected. So it is coming up automatically. So we'll keep that, and then I click on next. After that, we need to add the media. So either you can select the images from the account which was already uploaded over here for the previous ads, or you can also upload. So there is an upload button over here. You can upload it from your PC. So that can be selected. So let me see what I can use. So there are some of the images on the mobile news feeds. It will not be available. This image will be masked on the mobile news feed. The tallest supported aspect ratio images without links and videos on the mobile feed is vertical 4 is to 5, but the ratio is quite high over here, so that is the reason. But still, if we want, I can still use this option over here. I can use any of these images unless and until if you want to use a square one, that was the best option, because say 1 is to 1 image ratio will be applicable and will be eligible in all the placements available across Facebook and Instagram, Messenger, everywhere. So this is what I can select, or maybe I can select this option. And yes, after that I can click on next, or maybe I think this I should select this option. Okay, then I click it next. And then over here, if in case if we need to crop the images as per the screen. So over here original is good because 1 is to 1 ratio is there. These all placements will support 9 is to 16. So maybe I can select this, and it will automatically create 9 is to 16 ratio image. And this also 1.9 1 is to 1. So this also it will automatically be selected. So now I don't need to worry. Now all the images are perfect and optimized as per the requirement for the placements. Now I select okay, now there is no other image, so now I click on next. And it will also provide me some image variations from the image that I have uploaded. So in case if you want to select any images, you can select these images. and you don't need to worry about the text on the image, because the text which is coming up on the image are the headlines that we have added in the text fields. So over here I can select any of the images. So definitely, even if a person is not able to read the complete headline, then they will be able to read it over here. So this is what we can use. So Meta has automatically taken the content from the headlines that we have added. So in case if we want, we can use these images. So let me just check. So I think yes, all the images are good over here. I can use these. So I'll select all image variations. So I'll select all image variations. So now I will have more chances of creating multiple ads with different variations of the images, headlines, and the primary text that we have provided. So this is done. And if you say, yeah, one more thing, I mean, if you're not satisfied with this images, on the right hand side you have the option to generate new images. So you can generate new images inspired by the original creative which you have uploaded. So we have uploaded one image, so from that image it will automatically create another images. So this is generated by AI over here. And if you want only backgrounds, so images featuring some specific objects in different environments, then you can select this option over here. So you can see the two variations. This is original and this is generated image with some background over here. So in case if you want to add some backgrounds, then you can use this option as well. So right now the background is okay. I mean, we don't need any other backgrounds. These all backgrounds are good to go. And that's it over here. So now I can click on the next option. uh, Over here you have one option that if you feel that the text is not quite visible on the images that we have added, maybe on this image if you see the text, okay, we can read the text, but maybe it's not very much highlighted, or we might feel that okay, it might put some strain to read, or then in that case we have the option to disable the text over the logos. So on this all the images the text will not come up, so that we can use in case if it is required, but we will keep it. And yes, one more thing over here, you can also change the fonts, because if you feel that this font is very small and it might not be visible, so in that case you can also change the font as per your requirement. So let me see if I have some bold kind of, okay, so I have roboto text, that's really good. So I'll use this one over here. Or if you still feel okay, so over here we might have something for roboto you have bold option, so I'll select bold. So yes, now it is visible, it would be visible clearly. Okay, it's being generated. You can click on apply, so it's by default applied. And if you want to add a logo, so you can upload a logo on the transparent background in the png format, so you can upload a logo as well. So I'll click on upload logo, and I will upload the logo of my website. Okay, so I have bigger logos as well. Plus, I have these logos. So definitely, I'll add a square logo over here. 1:1 ratio, so that would be visible and it will not take up much space. So this is the logo. So we can use this over here. And yes, let's see. So okay, so now we don't have any other options remaining. Now my logo will also come up. You now you can see it is very easy to read the text because it is in bold. So this is quite highlighted. So that's fine. So now I can continue. Okay, so I can. Why does it say skip and continue? Why doesn't say apply? Okay, so I think everything is good to go. Okay, this is also good. Yeah, so this is good. Now I hope we did not miss on anything. I'll select, yeah, that is because we did not select all the images. Yeah, I need to select all the images because it was unchecked. We had made some changes. That was the reason. Now you can see the logo is appearing at the left bottom corner over here in all the images. So yes, this looks perfect with our own branding. Now I can click on next, and then you can see that all optimizations are done over here. So let's continue, and no more enhancements are available. So now I can click on done. So that's done over here, and it is verifying the changes, and you can see the various ads over here. You can also see the advanced preview. We will be seeing that, but first let us see if everything is good to go. So yes, everything is good over here, and text options. Okay, so primary text we have added, AI generated we don't want. Headlines we have added, and this headlines AI we don't want. Call to action is done. Advantage creative, okay, image generation AI, that also we have already used. So everything is good to go. In case if you want to use some deep links, so I mean, for the apps we don't have links, I mean, you can just tap on the menu. And this is custom store listing. So in case if you have a store ID, you want to list that, so then in that case you can use this. So custom store listing ID sends people who click to your ad to a landing page that you have customized in Google Play Store. So it will take us to the page that we have created. So there is a profile page on Play Store wherein you can showcase about your company, your logo, your products, your apps. If you have multiple apps, then you can provide the URL over here, or you can just provide your ID, and yes, it will take them. So in that case, instead of this app, maybe they want to install any other app also. If you have multiple apps, then maybe they have a choice to install any other app. So yes, this custom store listing can also be done. You just need to put your ID over here, and it will take them to the page on the Play Store. So this is it. And yes, now everything is good to go. We do not see any errors over here. And now I can click on publish if we want to, but I will not publish this because the app that is available, that is not our app, so we definitely don't want to publish this. So I'll just close this ad over here, and this is in draft over here. I'll just close this. So this is the app that we have done. For app promotion. You can see it is in draft, and right now that is because we did not publish it, so it is in draft right now. So if I want, I can also discard the draft over here. So if I want to delete, so that I can delete. So yes, that's fine. So I can delete it at any point of time. So right now I'll just close the ads and ad sets and campaigns. So I'll just you can toggle this off also over here, so that this ad will be disabled and it won't run by mistake in case if we are using somebody else's app. So why to waste money on that? So for that reason, we'll disable the campaign itself so that the ads are not running. So this was our app promotion ads. So like this we can use, if we have an ad, if we have an app, then we can promote our app using this ad. And definitely you get very good results using this. Instead of taking any other third party services, the best option is to promote your app using Facebook and Instagram ads, and you get the best results over here. So now let's look at the last ad that we have, which is related to sales. So the sales is I mean, the ad which is good for conversions. So conversion is basically the sales. I mean, the objective, the motto of the ad. So that is conversion. So we want to sell products. Then the next thing is catalog sales. So you can have people buying multiple products. So catalog, we all know that catalog is a set of multiple products in one place. So it's like how we add multiple blogs in one category. So the same way in a catalog we can have multiple products. So that is catalog sales. So if you want to promote multiple products, then don't use conversions. Then the catalog sales would be the best option over here. But this is available only to some of the accounts and not all the accounts. So if your account is quite old and you have run ads previously, then you might get access to this. But say I mean previously I was having this access, then they removed it, and now again they are showing the option to create a catalog. But I haven't created it till date. But let's see, if we get the option, we'll try to create it. Then the other option is that if you don't have products on the on any place online, then in that case you can also use Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Also, you people can do business on Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp as well. So that is a really very good option. And then we have calls. So if you don't want any issues, then I mean you don't want any headache of online checking online again and again and wasting your time. Say in case if you keep yourself busy, then in that case the best option is you can select calls. So whenever you get a call, then you can receive the call and you can discuss and close the deal over a call. So even that option is available. So this is especially good for the people who do their business over the calls. So yes, this is a good option. But ideally, if I'm doing and ad for sales, then I would definitely use my website where I have all the products or courses that I'm selling. That is the best option for me. Or else even the catalog sales which I can display on Facebook page, that is a good option over here. Well, sometime I would even say that Messenger or WhatsApp would be the better option, because that is something that we use multiple times a day. And we are almost connected to WhatsApp for the whole day. So I mean WhatsApp would be the better option. I might not be on Messenger. I may not be a fan of a Messenger or Instagram direct. Then in that case, WhatsApp is the best option where people message and say I can generate inquiries or say yeah, and I can get leads for sales people who are interested. They can connect with me. So these are the all options that we have. So we'll click on continue, and we again select the manual site campaign and click on continue. And then we add the name of the campaign. So I'll say new digital marketing campaign. So this is new sales campaign, new sales for digital marketing. Okay, so I'll just use sales for digital marketing. Okay, so I'll use this, and that's it. So now over here, special ad categories, we do not belong to any special ad categories, so I do not need to declare because it's not applicable for us. Buying type is auction, campaign objective is sales, show more options, campaign spending limit we are not selecting because we can always add the say the daily budget and lifetime budget over here. So this is what we can select. So after that, advantage catalog ads. So advantage plus catalog ads. So you can see this. If you want, you can create a catalog and drive more sales with advantage plus catalog ads. So if you have an catalog, then say a drop down with the ID will be displayed. So previously when I was running the ads, I used to have a catalog and my catalog ID was displayed in the drop down in case if I have multiple catalogs. So if I don't have so now all those catalogs are removed because I said that that facility was removed. So now again this has come back, so I can select this option over here. I can keep this. I mean, it is off right now. So you need to create a catalog to start using catalog. So I mean, right now we do not have a catalog. That is the reason it is telling us that you first need to create a catalog. If we have a catalog, then we can keep it on. So I mean, right now we don't have. So we'll create a catalog. Let's see how this process works. So it takes us to business.facebook.com. So get started, add products to your catalog and maximize your ad performance. Okay, fine. So let's see what happens. I'll say add products. Ideally, it should have said asked for add catalog first, but okay, not a problem. So product category, online products for the products sold online, or over here the other option is local products or services for using location information to promote local inventory or services. So this is basically for offline stores. If you have any store or a shop or office, then you can promote that location. So this is for offline. And then this is for travel, that is for hotel industry and holiday properties, resorts, and those kind of things, flights or destinations, you can use this. Then this is for real estate, for rental properties and property listings. Okay. And then we have for auto, for different tires of auto market. So this can be it. Now over here, I would select online products. So because I have courses which are online, so I can select this option, online products. So this is it. After that, I need to select the business portfolio. So I'll select my this particular ID, so I can select my name, the page that I have, and then I can provide the name of the catalog. So I can select that, okay, this is all digital marketing products, digital marketing courses. So this is done, and then I can click on next. Then let's see what are the options that we get. So add basic info that we can add over here. Connect to tracking, set permissions, and upload pic products. Okay, fine. So this is a digital work zone audience. So I mean this is a metapixel. Okay, so not this one. HC page audience over here. So this is the SDK ID over here. Track inventory. So this is HC page audience network. Okay. So I'll select this option over here. This I want to connect this one. I also want to connect this one. Let me see, I can have connect multiple or not. So okay, not this one. I'll select this one also. And Helpopedia EduTech Pixel. So no recent events. Okay, so this is Hitesh Chhatralia's Pixel. So I'll select this as well. Okay, so that's it. So I'll connect 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so 3 plus 1, 4. So I'll connect four connections over here. So I might have four of them. So my products will be displayed over there. So let's see. After that, I can click on next, and then I need to set permissions. So yes, this is the owner, that is the business owner over here. My name is being displayed. So products, product sets for ads, and so I have the permissions, that is full control because I am the admin of this account. So this is it. So I can manage everything, create, edit, set of products to use for ad campaigns, control settings and access reports, update products, set up and manage a shop. So yes, everything, all the controls I have, this is done. If I have any partners, so right now I don't have any partner. If you want to assign a partner by business ID or link to share, I mean business ID is if you want to collaborate with someone, then in that case you need to provide that person business ID. So that business ID you will get it from your account settings, but right now we are not collaborating anyone. I'm just selecting my multiple pages. So this is one person who is having full access. So after that I click on next, and now I need to upload project products. So now I have connect to the data feed, use spreadsheets or file to add and update your products automatically. Now this option is good if you have say many products. I mean you don't want to manually add your products one by one over here. doing data entry over here, then in that case, I mean, if you have two three products or three four products, I mean, it's fine, you can add it manually. But let's say if you have say 100 products, or if you have products like Amazon, if Amazon wants to do ads on Facebook, they have 17 crore products, so they cannot add manually. I mean, they will use the data feed, wherein they will be just uploading a spreadsheets, and automatically the products will get added and updated automatically on Facebook data feed. So this is what we can use. So right now, I mean, we have just three four products, and gradually we'll be adding more. So right now I'll select manually because I don't have the data feed ready. So I will select that, okay, manually add your products. So I'll select add products, and now I need to provide the image and video, and then title over here, the description of the product, then the course page URL, then what is the price over here. Then if you are providing some discount, you can also provide a sales price. So I mean, over here on the original cost, there would be, it will be crossed, and then the new price will be placed over here. And then you can select a category over here, so like this, and then condition. So if it is a new, old, refurbished, whatever, so availability, in stock status, whether it is active, brand you can add, if you, in case, of course, that's optional. Content ID is again optional. So content ID is basically, this can be the SKU. So I mean, SKU is say nowadays SKU is there for all the products which we see online. So that's a particular number which is for the product. So I mean, say like if we have a product ID or product code, so that is what we are talking about, SKU ID. So any other unique identification number of the product that we have, that you want to add, then you can use this. So I mean, this is very good when we have large products like Amazon. So if you go to Amazon, so most of the products are, I would say 99% of the products on Amazon is having the SKU ID. I think that is mandatory for listing products on Amazon. So from that SKU ID, it is easy for the management to track which product it is, and for what what further actions can be taken. I mean, they want some details of that product. So SKU ID is good. I mean, if you have, you can also use that. So now over here, variants. So you can add a variant. So I mean, in case say you have a product which has multiple variants. Say the best example I would say is a ball pen or any pen, because uh, I do not know which pen does a customer want. He wants a blue colored pen or red pen or green pen or any other pen he wants, which color. So they are called as attributes of the product. So in that case over here, if you have any variants, then yes, you can use this variants over here. But say, I mean, I can say that, okay, I have a digital marketing course and I have four variants of it. But no, it's not variants. I mean, they are different courses. Say like digital marketing courses, then diploma in digital marketing, bachelor's in digital marketing, and master's in applied digital marketing. So I mean, I will add them as different courses and not one course with different variants. So I mean, if you are selling a ball pen, then yes, you can add different variants. That, okay, fine, it's blue color, red color, you can select whatever you want. And people can select before buying that, okay, I want a pen, but it should be blue colored ink. So like that they can use. So I don't have any variants, but yes, I can upload, definitely upload image. So let's see. Image I can use. So it's called drag and drop, but let me see if I have the images. I'm not sure. mm, I intro images. Yes, finally. Okay, but these are all for different modules. I don't have for any which ways. I'll use this later on, but right now what I'll use is maybe. mm, I can use a video also. So I mean, it also says that you can use a video as well. So let me just check this video if I can upload this video. this would be the latest one. Let's see. If I this image can be uploaded over here or not, because they might have some okay, yes, the criteria is 100 MB for videos, and images should be at least 500 by 500 pixels, and no larger than 8 MB for images. Okay, so it should be 1 is to 1 ratio. So again, that's a problem because I have all 16 is to 9 ratio, but let's try. I will upload a video. Let me drag this over here. So what happened, I don't know. Okay, so fine. So cancel. Okay, it is getting uploaded, and okay, one image you selected has already been uploaded. Okay, fine. So that MP4 is getting uploaded, and I can add some image as well. So let me check the images. So okay, fine. I have this image which is for digital marketing course. So I'll use this image. Digital marketing course. Okay, so this is done, and this is getting uploaded. I mean, this might take time. So what? Okay, so finally, I think it is uploaded. I click on save. So this is uploaded. Now this is the website link, directly website link. Okay, yeah, over here the title. So I'll add the title. Then description. So okay, I need to take the description from the website. I don't know what's the problem with the website. I mean, nowadays there is a lot of problem with the website, so I think I should change the hosting provider.
Hmm?
Sometimes it is that it doesn't work on a particular browser, so I might try a different browser. I'll also check on my mobile device, then only I can confirm. No, over here you can see it's working. So I thought so. I mean, a lot of times I see that there are problems with the Chrome browser, say the website doesn't open. So fine, so I click on courses, and I go to that particular course, and I can then go to the details of the course and take some description. So I don't know how big description we can use. Okay, so it has 9,999 characters that we can use. So I'll use this one. Okay, so I'll just take the over here. Let's see if I can add everything. Okay, it's just 1888 from whatever description that we have added. So in that case, I can use all the things. Okay, so this is done. After that, the website URL. So website URL for this course is this URL that I can use. So when people will click on this particular link, it should take them to this particular product. So I can provide the link over here. Okay. So after that, let's see what is the next thing that we have. Okay, so then comes the pricing. So I'll say 35,000 is mentioned on the website. Okay, and if I'm having some sales, then in that case, I can provide that. Okay, this is the sales price. So right now I can provide a 10% discount or say, okay, fine. Valentine's Day, I have provided 35% discount. So in that case, a 25% discount. So maybe I can add that, but again, I need to come back and change this. So right now I'll not add any discount. So I'll say uncheck this option. I need to select Facebook product category. Let me see if we have education. I mean, there are no results for this. Let's see. Okay, it is stuck. Educational toys, educational electronic toys. So we don't have this. For school also they don't have. College also they don't have. So I don't know what. Maybe this is for the product. Maybe they are not looking at the service industry. So that could be one of the reason. But let's see if we have something near to that. Home improvements, jewelry, media. Okay, media. Let us see. Movies, music, newspaper. Okay, no. Okay, even this is of no use. Media also. Baby products, electronics, food and beverages, health and beauty, home improvement, jewelry, media, musical instruments, office supplies, others. No, patient garden, pet supplies, sporting, toys and games, travel and luggage. That's it. So, I mean, the best option is I would select others because there is no other option category which I can select. So condition, I mean, yeah, I mean, I told you this is for the product. So for and services cannot be new or refurbished, used. I mean, it is always first hand service
Correct.
for any institution or college or people I deliver the service. I mean, it's always the uh, new service. So I mean, okay, fine. So I'll use this new over here. Availability in stock, status active, brand. Okay, I'll put the brand. Content ID we do not have, or else I can just provide DME01. This can be the content ID. And I can say upload item. So right now I can use one product, or maybe I can add one more product, because in a catalog we should have at least some more products. So fine, I'll just add more. So in this I can add that diploma in digital marketing I'll add, and I can also add that video also if I want. That might take some time, but right now we'll add it later on. So I'll keep save, and then I need to add the title of the product. So that would be then would be the description of the product. So okay, so I need to go to another product. So let's see over here, diploma in digital marketing. I click on this and okay, so yeah. Okay, so for this, the description is too big. I don't think this much description they might allow, but let's see. Oops. Okay, so this is done. So now I'll just copy this and I will add it over here. So let's see if we can add this much content. Okay, this is above that. Okay, so over here it is not coming up. So I can just write. Okay, so this is it. After that, I need to provide a URL. So I'll copy this URL and I'll paste this URL. After that, what we need to add is the price. So the price is 60,000. The product is not on sales. It's new. The category again, I need to select. Okay, now let me just try something under media. Okay, blank media, media storage rocks, growing media. Hmm. Okay, font filter media. Okay, so no, this is not related. So the best option is others that I need to select. What happened? Okay, so I select others over here. New in stock and everything good to go. The brand again the same brand over here. And this is diploma in digital marketing 01. That's it. So now I can save the products. So upload items. Let's see if it allows us to upload or not. From long time it was not. I mean the page was not working, but now the page has started to work. So I'm adding the products. Let's see. So hopefully, I think this has started to work, I believe, and now it is saving because every time try to add, it told that this feature is not available in your region. But yes, finally, two of your items haven't been uploaded. See, I mean, I thought so. Add at least five products to run Advantage Plus catalog ads. Okay, so that is the problem over here. So we need to add a new item. So I mean, fine, not a problem. I mean, if we want to use this feature, then definitely we'll have to add a new item. There's no choice. So I'll click on add a new item. What happened? It's not uploading. Okay, let's revamp it. Yes. So I'll upload a new item. So now I'll say masters in applied digital marketing. So that's it over here. And I'll click on save. So we'll go a little faster. Let's see.
So we can't auto update the things. There would be
No, we
option like
cannot
auto update in the shop.
automatically do it. The minimum products required are five, and we have added only two. So that's the problem. We need to add the other two as well, the other three as well. So I mean, if we want to use this feature catalog, then we can use. Otherwise, just a conversion. I mean, we can just use the conversion ads. That's it will not take more time because I just need to provide my website. But See, just providing a website will not help because people might go to the website and they might browse other pages. So for that, I need to have a landing page. If I have a landing page, then there is no distraction because first of all, there is no menu. But if I take them to this particular page on my website, then they might just scroll and they might go and click on other pages also, and then they might close the website and leave. So I don't want any distraction. So if you have created a landing page along with the lead generation form on that page, like name, email address, and mobile number form, then it's okay. Then you can use that. So, but I mean, over here you cannot take the risk. So for that reason, I'm adding a catalog. And then you need to have some description. Okay, so I have this link, so I'll add the link also, which is already copied, and description. I can take the description over here. Okay, so I'll just copy this much and I'll paste this, and then maybe I can say that masters, how many modules do we have in this? We have 110 hours and okay, modules we do not, we have not mentioned over here. Okay, fine. So I think this we have at the bottom. Let's see. Okay, so this is done. So even this is done. So after that, if we have anything to add, the pricing 110000. Okay, so now it's yes. So category again, selecting a category, and then brand name. Okay, so this is done. So now let's see. I still don't get, there is one item with issue. So over here, what is the issue? Another item in your catalog uses this ID. I mean DDM. I mean I don't. I'm not using this ID. Okay, fine. This is a DME DDM01 MADM01. Still it says okay, fine, not a problem. So upload a product. So, okay, I should have not uploaded. I should have added an item. Okay, so that would have saved time. But any which ways, let's see. So till that time, maybe I'll just I can just write some. Okay, I'll just say add item. So here we need to add 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So over here I will upload an image which was okay. Okay, email marketing, Facebook marketing, Instagram, Google Ads, Google Search Console, Google Tools, Instagram marketing. Okay, so I'll use Instagram marketing over here. Description. So, I can, I don't have the content ready for this, but I can create one. Okay, let me see if I have. I had, but I don't know where exactly it is. This is YouTube description. Okay, so fine. I will write course description. Okay, language we want is English. Tone. Okay, and writing style. Okay, so that should write a course description for. Okay, so let's see what it tries. It might take some time, but fine. We have something ready over here. Okay, fine. So we have at least some content ready. So this is it, and okay, over here, Commerce Manager. This is the description that we need to add. So this is it, and over here the link. Okay, so the link we don't have. So at present, I'll just copy the link of the website and paste it. So that is it. The price for this would be, say, I'll keep it at 12,000. Okay, select category again, others. And okay, rest everything is fine. Oh, there is a mistake. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now we should add one more. So that would be for, let's see, affiliate marketing, email marketing, Facebook marketing, Google tools. Okay, okay, I'll use SEO. And meanwhile, I can just tell this to write a course description for. Okay, so now it will generate a description for this SEO 3.0, master the future of search optimization. So this can be the title. This is a good title. I can use this. Okay, I'll save this image. This would be the title, and then we have description. So description is being generated. Okay, so I hope this is okay. Fine. Okay, so this is done. After that, the URL, I'll put this URL because right now the pages are not there. Pricing would be,
So duplication URL will accept by the system, or we need to be have some unique URLs.
Uh, the URL, I mean, URL can be, you can put any URL, because if you are just promoting a single page, then in that case, that URL will work, because I mean, because that doesn't need to be taken into consideration. If you are adding a same product, then that is a duplication. URL, because
Okay.
it's a URL of a website, so that definitely would be the same. Okay, so finally we have added five products. I can okay, upload, and now finally we can use this catalog. Let's see. After long time, this catalog feature has may come back, because previously, I mean, this feature was really working really very well. All of a sudden it went away, and for 1.5 year it was not there. So I mean, it was really frustration, because from that catalog also you can promote your catalog in on your Facebook page also. So I mean, you had lots of responses through the catalogs. You can promote the catalogs on WhatsApp and other social media networks also. So I mean, having a catalog is really very good. So this is done. We have added the catalog. So this is done. And now, I mean, what? Add product skip. So this is already done. So there's no skip. Okay. So now let's see what happens next. So, okay, fine. Digital marketing courses. This is catalog is done. So you can see these catalogs over here. I already had these catalogs previously, so which I was talking about. See, you can see Helpopedia EduTech catalog, products for Hitesh Chhatralia over here. These were
Right.
catalogs were already there, but now okay, fine. We have created a new catalog, digital marketing courses. So this is what I mean. Digital marketing courses 61. Okay, so that's the content ID. Okay, not a problem. So create an advantage plus catalog ad. Okay, so I can create it from here as well, and let me just refresh this this particular page. I think I should be able to select, because now we already have a catalog. Mm, Still, it is not available. Maybe what we can do is we can create the ad again. I can just discard this ad over here. Mm, so we have, I mean, the space that they have provided. I mean, on the top it is wasting so much of the space, and at the bottom also wasting, and over here very small space for scrolling. I mean, just two lines. So that's the problem. So what I can do is I'll just mm, select all, and I'll deactivate it. Manage rules, create rules. Okay, that is not required. I can just turn it off. Turning off, you are turning off 9 items. Okay, so that's fine. Fine, not a problem. We'll directly create a new one. So I'll select sales, and let's see again if we are able to use this or not. sales for DM and DM. Since it's not deleted, it might not allow the same campaign name. So I'll just add the extra something. Okay, so now we are going to continue. Let's see. Okay, still it's not allowing this. You need to create a catalog to start using. I mean, we have already have a catalog over here. So, all right, items. We already have items, right? Yeah, over here we have items over here. Settings. Let's see if there needs to have any settings or what. Four items, five variants. I mean, that's strange. We have added only five products. I mean, when things are new at that time, it acts weird always. Or else the best thing is that we'll create the ad from there only, catalog sales only. Let's see what happens over here. It's not allowing. This is asking to create, use the catalog automatically, advertise relevant products or services to people based on their unique interest. But right now I'm not getting this option. And what happened to this page? It's not opening. Sales general, catalog and business assets. Default language and country. Okay, so that's fine. Default language, select edit. I mean, default language would be English all. So English. And default country, I mean, we are not selecting any particular default country. I mean, do we need to select? I'm not sure. No country selected, but I need to select, I think. So I'll select India and click on save. Hopefully this works. Okay, so this is saved, then catalog, digital marketing courses. This is the catalog ID, image cropping. Okay, that's all automated. Notifications. Okay, delete catalog, edit catalog. All notifications or notifications only. Yeah, because otherwise it will send emails also. So we don't want emails. Otherwise we'll get hundreds of emails. So we don't want event notification. This is my pixel over here. All notifications. I'll say notifications only. Delete catalog. We don't want to delete catalog. Okay, so this all is looks good over here. So yeah, I mean everything is done over here. Now what next? So fine. We again go back to overview. Fine, so we create an advantage plus catalog ad over here. So you need to select an ad account, you need to connect an ad account. Okay, so it is asking to connect. Request and access to connect. Okay, so in your business settings, okay, let's see. So I mean, you see, this is a bit complicated. I mean, Facebook, you are in your own account, but still you need to connect your account because Commerce Manager is different, Business Manager is different, Ads Manager is different, your Facebook page is different. So like that, you have lots of complications over here. So add accounts and pages. So search by account. So let me see. Okay. Okay, so this ad account is disabled, so I'll need to remove this. Okay, we don't want this. This is closed. And this is the problem, that is because we selected this in the ad account. What are the data sources that we selected? We don't want that particular account to be selected, and by mistake I selected that. Now I'm not sure whether we are able to uncheck that or not, but we have to remove that account because that was checked by mistake. Okay, edit catalog name. Okay, so that's fine. Image cropping, notification, delete catalog or business assets. Okay, this is the business portfolio over here. And okay, yes, from here we can edit this. So event sources. So these are all the event sources which we can edit or delete. So I need to uncheck the options over here. This Helpopedia EduTech over here. This LLP. So the best option what I will do at the moment is I'll just keep my account connected over here, and that's it. So I don't think I didn't need to, or else this account I already know this is active right now. I mean tracking inventory events. So this I can keep it active. This was, I think this was closed. So I think I'll keep this save. I'll save this. Now I think that should not be the problem. Let's see. Okay. This ad account is disabled. So that's fine. This is connected. So connect assets. So other business assets. Okay. That option is also not coming up. And people with full control over here, I have full control over here, so that's fine. And this is the owner, so one person assigned over here with full control. Apps, okay, over here e-commerce accounts. So no e-commerce, no commerce account added. So let's see, no add commerce account. Okay, it is keep on taking us to the new page. Let's see what happens. You can see again it is taking us to the same page. So this is, there is a problem with this. So I mean, you are clicking on this and it takes you to again to add a new account. Again, it will take you to the same page. So I mean, this is looping at the same URL. So it doesn't make sense. So this thing is, I don't think it is working properly. So I should close this, and I can try to create. I can try to create an ad from this itself, from this place. Let me see if this works. Otherwise, all the efforts will go in vain. But any which ways, we have at least the catalog has started to work. So at least I'm happy that okay, I think this is back. But okay, so this is again a problem. So you need to select an ad account. Which ad account would you like to advertise with? So I mean, it's already there. This account. 8 business assets. So your account 3 business assets. Okay. So let's see. Products for Hitesh Chhatralia. Okay. So let me select this and add account. Get started. Connect third party platform. Select country. Choose checkout methods. Choose sales channels and preview. So I mean, this is again a long process, but I'm not sure if this is going to work. But let's see. Okay, I don't use these platforms: Shopify, BigCommerce, Channel Advisors, Feednomics, GoFeed. I don't use any of these. So yes, I don't use any of these. Next. So select country India. You can see now it is telling up that shop is not available in your select country. I mean, after creating everything, it says that you cannot shop is not available in your select country. Previously it was available. You can still create a catalog to start running ads, but I'm not even able to do that as well. So I mean, I can just close this, and we can leave the catalog sales ad right now. We can select some other ad instead of catalog sales. Advantage
Correct.
campaign budget, we'll keep it off, and over here reporting, that's automated. I click on next, and over here ad set name, sales ad set. Okay, then the conversions. So conversion location, where you would like to select. So I have my courses on my website, so I can use this. Other options that we have is app or website and app, messaging apps, and calls. So right now I'll use website because that's the place where I have my courses. And then we have performance goal. What is the performance goal that we want to select? So maximize number of conversions, and maximize number of landing page views, maximize number of link clicks, and maximize daily unique reach, maximize number of impressions. Over here impression doesn't make sense because the number of times it is going to be shown on visitors screen, it doesn't make sense. Then unique reach, I mean, even if it is going to reach more people, my concern, or say my end result goal is to have more conversions, so unique reach is also out of question. Link clicks, I mean, even if there are 100 clicks and no one buys, so I mean that is of no use to me. Maximize number of landing page views, so I mean, even if they come on my website, but if they don't buy the product, then it is of no use. So what I want is maximize number of conversions. So we'll try to show your ads to the people most likely to take a specific action on your website, so at least they will take some action. So I'll select this option over here, maximize number of conversions in the performance goal settings. Data set, that is over here by default. It's automated over here. So if you haven't created a data set, you will get the option to select a data set. So I mean, like how we took the places where we could create a catalog. So the same way it will ask you to create a data set. And then conversion event, now it is giving us the option conversion event over here. Okay, so Helpopedia courses. Okay, so over here you can select what are the things that we want. Do we want the actions to be performed as add to cart, or courses pages, or purchase, or lead, add payment info, add to wish list, or complete registration, donate, initiate checkout, search or search trial, or subscribe, or view content. I mean, this all thing is of no use except one thing, that is purchase, because this is the action when I make money. So for that reason, I will select the event as purchase. So purchase is my goal over here, and my cost per result goal, how much I am willing for each goal. So for purchase, how much amount I am ready to pay. Right now, you can see that the reach is 19,000 to 54,000. So, and what is the conversion? Let's see. The conversion is 27 to 78 is the approximate conversion. But still, we haven't selected our budget and bid. So I'll select that my daily budget is 500. It might decrease, the reach might decrease. So let's see. So yeah, I mean now the reach is 12,000 to 34,000 and conversion is 17 to 49. So decreased a bit. Yes, now I will select the bid also. So cost per result goal, let's see what we can use. Let's say I'll pay 5 rupees. So is that okay? Let's see. We recommend trying the following to avoid. So raise your cost control from 5 rupees. Okay, fine. So I'll add 10 rupees. Let's see. So you can see raise your cost control from 10 rupees. Then I'll put 20 rupees. Let's see. Okay, so 20 rupees it has stopped, and now let's see what is the result that we are going to get. So in 20 rupees I'll be reaching 12,000 to 34,000 and 17 to 49 conversions. But now the problem is that this price which we are paying 20 rupees is much higher. Now without reducing the reach and conversions. I mean, it might be a slight change, but I would say that I don't want to pay 20 rupees, but still my this result end goal will almost be same. So that also paying less amount, maybe 5 rupees or 2 rupees or 3 rupees. Let's see how. This is the most important thing. See over here, you are paying 20 rupees cost per result goal, which is quite high. However, that is optional. But I mean, even if you don't put it, you might end up paying 50 rupees as well. Because Meta will not think that for you it is costly. I mean, for them, the result matters, not the bids and everything, if you give control to them. So now what I need to do is I need to understand that something is wrong. But what thing is wrong? My bid strategy is wrong. I have selected cost per result goal. So I want to control my bids over here. So 20 rupees is too high. So what should I do? So right now I'm selecting cost per result goal. So instead of cost per result goal, I want to select bid cap where I will be managing my bids in the auction. So I'll select bids. And now over here, I will add only 5 rupees. And now let's see what happens and what is the results that we are getting. Now, if you see, it did not change, and in 5 rupees, you are getting the same thing. Previously, in 20 rupees, you are getting the same thing. I mean, not even in 10 rupees, you are getting this, but now the same thing you are getting it in 5 rupees. Now, let us try with 3 rupees. I'm sure it will provide the same results in 3 rupees as well. Let's try. So, I put 3 rupees over here, and let's see. So in 3 rupees also it did not change, nothing has changed. So you can see we have saved 17 rupees over here. Previously we were using 20 rupees and now the same thing we are getting it in 3 rupees. Now let me try 2 rupees. Maybe we can save 18 rupees. Yes, you can see there's no change again. So I mean 2 rupees we have saved 18 rupees over here. So what we can do? Let me try 1 rupee. So in 1 rupee there could be some changes. No change at all. I mean you can see this. This is one of the best thing. So now what do you do? I mean from 1 rupee how much less you want to pay? I will add 0.25. 25 paise I want to pay per conversion. Let's see. You can see still there is no change because 25 paise is the right bid. 25 paise was the right bid, but I mean you can even put 5 rupees because see, I mean every time it cannot be 25 paise. Tomorrow it can increase to 30 paise, 35 paise or 40 paise also. So I mean for a safer side. But even if the you have added 40 paisa, and if the bid cost is 25 paisa, I mean 40 paisa is not going to get deducted from your account. Only 25 paisa will get deducted from your account, because the whatever slab that we are given, that is the ceiling of the maximum amount that is affordable to me. So even instead of 50 paisa or say 5 rupees, whatever if I add, even if I add 5 rupees, so that is the ceiling, that okay fine, 5 rupees is the maximum ceiling that I can afford for this conversion. So this is the maximum amount that you can add over here, but the actual pricing that you will be getting it would be say 25 paisa, or maybe even say 10 paisa, 15 paisa, 5 paisa also. In my last ad, what I got when I have spent say 300 rupees ad which I had done, in that the cost was 0.04 paisa. So I mean that was say only 4 paisa. So I mean 0.04 rupees is 4 paisa. So yeah, 4 paisa was the amount that was deducted. So now you can just imagine that in 4 paisa bid strategy, I reached 16,900 people, approximately 16,900 people I reached. And I got result was I got engagement of something around 6,200 300 engagements I got. So that many likes and comments I got on my Instagram post. So this is what the results are. I mean, you won't be spending, even if you put 5 rupees, don't worry, you will not be spending 5 rupees. If the actual cost is the 25 paisa or 5 paisa or 10 paisa, only that much will be deducted. The ceiling what you add over here would be would remain as the maximum. So on a safer side, I'll put 1 rupee. So I mean 1 rupee, or maybe even if you put say 3 rupees, it's still fine. So 3 rupees is okay. So now, dynamic ad creatives, I can keep this on, because I can add multiple images, headlines, and it will create various ads combinations and optimize your audience. So that is it over here. Now my budget is also set. I need to provide and start date. So start date is okay. So I'll say 5th February, and right now it's almost 2 o'clock. So I'll say that okay, I want to start my ad at 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. IST. And if you want to put an end date, you can put. But since we have selected a daily budget, it's not necessary that you put an end date, because if you keep get results, if you keep on getting results, then you can continue with the ad. But on a safer side, if you want, I mean, you can just put that okay, fine, I want to end my ad. I want to run my ad only till 15th of Feb, night 12 o'clock. So that's fine. And after that, in case if you want to increase your budget on some days, say maybe like if something is coming up in between. So now over here I've selected my ad to end on 15th of February. On 14th of February there is Valentine's Day. So maybe I can increase my budget from 12th of February till 14th of February by some budget. Say maybe I want to increase my budget by say over here I can provide the date. So from which date I want to increase my budget, I'll say that okay, I want to increase my budget from 12th of February night 12 o'clock till say I want it by 14th of Feb 12 o'clock. So for these 2 days, 12, 13, and 14, so 3 days. So for these 3 days, I want to increase daily budget by the value amount. So I can increase my daily budget by 125 rupees. So instead of 500 rupees, my daily budget on these 2 days or these 3 days, my budget will be 625 rupees. So that, because some festival is coming up, some occasion is coming up, so I want to reach more people on those days. Maybe they might buy something from me, so I can use this. So I can add by a fixed value amount over here, or else I can select by percentage also. You can select that okay, by 25%, 40%, 30%, whatever amount you want, you can select this. So you can increase this. So automatically your ad will start spending more amount from 12th of February, and it will automatically stop and switch back to 500 rupees per day uh, from 15th of February. So 14th night it will stop. So this is how you can use increase. So in olden days, so I mean before this feature came up, this feature came up just 6 months back. So I mean I can I mean not even 6 months back, very less time. So I mean, before that we had to edit the bids and the pricing that okay fine we have festival, so now we will spend this much amount. So then that was final because that is actually going to change my actual bids which I have put in the ads. But then it will keep on using that amount unless and until I will go and update the bid again. But over here now it is automated. But what was the drawback of updating the bids over there? I mean, over there also we were able to update. I mean, that's fine, but that was a manual process, na? I mean, I can go on 12th of Feb and I can update the bid. But whenever I updated something, again my ad will go into review, so my ad will stop. So if I'm getting good results and everything was running good, I was getting very good results, and I updated my bid. So I mean, again my ad will stop and go for review, and then if everything is fine, again it will start. So why waste that maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, or 5 hours, or maybe 24 hours? It might take time. If it is a weekend, it might take time. So why should I waste that time? So I mean but now everything is fine over here. I mean by in adding this feature, including this feature, a lot of headache has been saved. I mean my ad will not stop automatically, the budget will increase automatically, the budget will revert back to the original one. So this is one of the best features that they have added again over here. After that, the audience control. So, I mean, you can select what audience to whom you want to show your ads to. So, yeah, I mean, I can select that. Okay, according to my budget, I want to show my ads to Mumbai and Pune people. So, whichever audience which I had saved, it will go to the same audience. Like, I've already set some criteria, say, like Mumbai and India, 25 miles, my ads will be shown, and in Pune, 15 miles radius, my ads will be shown. Optimization for all location is on, minimum age is 18, and then the maximum age is 45, and these are the people interested. So these are the categories which I had selected. So interested in these categories will get to see my ad. So this was the suggestion. Of course Meta will optimize my audience automatically, and they will do a wide search according to the product or services that I'm promoting. So now you can see, since I have selected the audience over here, and we is from India, we have moved to Mumbai, Pune. You can see the reach has decreased over here and conversion has also decreased, because previously it was India. We had a wide range of audiences, but now over here we have limited two cities. So definitely the audience will decrease. So fine. I mean, if you want, you can use this. So you can keep this, and then the placement. So placement we can keep it say automatic or manual. I mean, that's advantage plus placements is always better instead of manual placements, unless and until you want it on your ads on certain platforms. But yes, just to check where your ads are eligible on which platforms, you can select this. So I mean, okay, fine. You know, now you know that your ad is coming up on all the platforms: Facebook, Instagram, ad, Audience Network, and Messenger. Just to test this, you can use this. So yeah, I mean, you can use this, and you can switch back to advantage plus placements over here. So now everything is good to go, and now it's time to create our ad. So now I mean, now the process is same like any other ad that we did. So I'll just add the over here the name of the ad. So that was sales for DM. So I mean, that's fine. And over here identity, so yeah, that's Facebook page and Instagram account selected, and then you can manually upload the images. So over here the only option we have is flexible. So now in this, what we need to do is upload the media, images or a video. So I'll upload add images. So let's see what images I can use. So I can select all or from my account or from my Instagram page or from my Facebook page I can select. So from wherever I want I can select this option and I can select those images. So now all the images from my Instagram will come up. Let's see. So I'll select this option over here. I can add a maximum of 10. So I'll select this image also. I'll select this image also. I'll select this also. I'll select, let me see what's this. Okay, fine. So this also I can use. And even this also I can use. So maximum you can use is 10 images or a combination of images and videos probably. So fine, I've selected this 9 and okay 10 I can select. So I'll select continue. Now we have selected 10 of 10. So all the images are coming up. We can see that preview over here. And now we need to add the primary text so that we can take it from our notepad. Okay, so primary text which will be seen above the ad on the top. So this is the primary text and then the headlines we can add a maximum of 5 headlines. So let's see what we can add. So we'll copy use the same ones. So this is the first headline and then the second one. Okay, so I have added 5 headlines. I think 5 are added. One, two, three, four. Okay, only 4 are added. Yeah, 5 are added. One, two, three, four, and five. Yeah, that's the reason this got disabled. Okay, then now we can add 5 description maximum. So maybe I can use the descriptions over here. Maybe one, then two. Okay, so we are almost done. Okay, so we have completed 5 descriptions, 5 headlines, primary text, and now we need to provide the URL where we have the products and services that we want to sell. So we can provide the URL. So I can provide the URL of my website or I can take them to the courses page also, but on the home page also the courses are there, so not a problem. And then I can also add a display URL which will be seen on the website. So it will be seen like this. Okay, and then advantage plus creative optimization. So that is already been done, automatically taken care of. Now, event details optional. So if you want to promote an event, you can also promote an event. But I mean, over here, this is not related to event. This is related to sales conversions. So event I'm not adding. But yes, tracking you can see automatically website events is being tracked over here by this pixel. Now, why tracking is required? See, now this is a sales ad. Now, in sales ad, the tracking is very much important. Say, for example, a person will click on this ad over here and say over here once a person says learn more. So then it will take them to my website. But on my website, if a person is purchasing a product or not, how will Facebook get to know? How will Meta get to know that whether that person has purchased the product or not? Because once a person will click on this learn more button, the connection between Facebook and that user will be broken, because that user will now be on my website. So if Facebook wants to track how many conversions are happening, then in that case we need to keep the connection alive while the visitor is traveling from Facebook to a website. So for that reason, we add a small piece of JavaScript code on our website that is called as pixel, and that's it. Once a person will click on the ad, and that pixel will be connected on our website, and whenever a person browses the pages and he purchases a product, or he registers an account, or I mean whatever he does, in that case those all actions are registered, and that piece of code will send that data to Facebook that okay, this many conversions has happened. Now that conversions we had selected was purchase, so in that case it will track only purchases. So if there are any purchases on the website, then it will say that okay, 3 purchases happen, 5 purchases happen, 10 purchases happen, like that we will get to know that okay, this many purchases are happening on daily basis. So like this till the time our ad is running, we will get to know. So for that reason the tracking is very important. The same way, if we have a mobile app, and then we need to have the tracking code installed in our mobile app also, in the form of SDK, that is software development kit. So we need to add that, so our app will be connected with our ads manager, so it can track everything. So in case if we have, so I mean my tracking code is already active, but right now my app is under maintenance. So you can see this app ID is already installed, so this pixel is already there in the app, but right now that is not on the Play Store, it's under maintenance. So right now I'm not selecting app events, I'll just select website events, which is by default selected by the tracking. So that is done. Over here you can see the ad, and you can preview the ad. How does the ad look like? Over here you can see, if you want to see it in a full screen, you can click on this share button and click on the share a link. Click link sharing on, and you select the validity days, and you can see this link. So I click on this, open in a new tab, and you can see, I mean I've link preview was off. Okay, so now it's on. So yes, now we can see the ads over here, and you can see the full screen ads over here. Yes, so these are the format of the ads on different placements that are available over here. So yes, this is it. So this is how the ads will look at different places. So once we are done with this, I can just close this, and then I can close, and I can also close this. So now my advanced preview is done, everything is good to go, and then I can click on publish. So that's it. I mean this is how we run the sales ad. So if you have any products to sell, you can use this option, and definitely you get good results with Facebook and Instagram. Now if you ask me that what should I choose between, what would be my favorite option to choose between Google Ads and Facebook, Instagram ads? If my budget is low, I mean, I want to spend 500 to 1000 rupees a day, daily budget is 500 to 1000 rupees. I would use Facebook and Instagram because that gives me the best results, best output in terms of end results. But if I have to spend 500 to 1000 rupees per day on Google, I mean, it would be peanuts. I would not even get, say, 25% result of what results I get on Facebook and Instagram. Then you might ask that why people are using Google Ads if they are not giving that kind of results. I mean, Google ad gives the results, but if you have a very huge location, I mean, you're not selecting just Mumbai and Pune. I mean, you are selecting, even if you want to do ads in only in Mumbai, but if you have a very good budget, then yes, you can use this, and you are running multiple different types of ads or variety of ads. Then at that time Google ad works the best. You can use Google ads and get results. And of course there are pros and cons for all of them. See, the first thing is like, see, Google ads, Google has tie-ups with all the website owners, and your ad is shown on display network, YouTube network. You can have video ads and all kind of things. But over here you can have a video ads, but everything is on the platforms of Facebook only. Say like Facebook and Instagram. What else do they have? Messenger. I mean, how many people are there on Messenger out of the people who are using Instagram and Facebook? So, I mean, the Google has the wide variety of platforms available. They have tied up with all worldwide websites. They have millions and billions of websites to advertise on. They have YouTube, that is one of their biggest, say, asset from where the revenues are generated. Because after Google, the best traffic is on YouTube. So people are already there on YouTube. And now, I mean, apart from skippable and non-skippable ads, they have variety of ads coming up on YouTube. So yes, I mean, every platform has their pros and cons you can use. But yeah, I mean, if you are targeting youth or college students or young generation, then in that case I would suggest you to use Facebook and Instagram ads. That works the best. So because any which ways the youth is already on Instagram, they might not be using Facebook. So if you're targeting to young audience, then in that case Instagram ads would work the best. So, I mean, yes, you select what platform works the best for you. I mean, you can do some trial testing on, say, you use 500 rupees on Facebook and same type of ad on Google Ads, and see what results you get. I mean, it's not necessary that you will get good results only on Facebook and Instagram. If you're lucky, you will definitely get good results on Google Ads also. But I mean, everything is a matter of test and trial. Unless and until you do some test or you do some trial ads, you'll not get to know. So this is something to be experienced. So that's all from my end. If you have any questions, you can let me know.
Okay, thank you so much, Hitesh. The session was very good, very interesting. I do like the session. We covered two sessions: app promotions and sales.
Right,
So both the things, the module, it was very interesting. But when it comes to the app promotion part, some of the things was not like because we didn't had that app that we can at least input the login credentials and we can test on our portfolio.
right,
That was a thing, and rest of the thing it was understood. Like you told, the quote was like you told that testing process is very important. That if we are doing the testing part, it will be better to explore new things. And if we do have any questions or doubt, we can clear on that part. Because without testing, you are just doing a theoretical info to me, and I'm just listening. But when
right,
I'm getting into live things, so it will make sense to explore a practical experience.
right,
So this is how it was, and some doubts like primary text we do like the thing like I just saw in the portfolio that you have some pre text, we have some pre descriptions, pre
right.
we have already prepared, we had some preparations for the same, like
Yeah, I
for the
mean,
description part, for the title part, for the image part, for the videos part,
so that
we
is
have already
they have integrated AI into this. So if you put some description over there, from that description they will automatically pick up and create something new. If you upload some image related to that image, they will create different types of images, and it will ask you that you can select the images from this as well. So on that, they will add our headlines and all those options as well. So I mean, that would be an added advantage. We can use those images, because maybe people might not read our ad completely, but even if they look at the images, on the images whatever is mentioned, they will look at that. So that is the main attracting point. So this is a new feature which they have implemented, and I feel that this is really very good feature, because people might not read everything, but images definitely they see. So yes, I mean, it's good.
Sir, apart from AI of the system, but I just saw in your portfolio that you have just a description part, title part, image part, videos part in your folder. So that was a new thing that you have already pre-researched for the same, and you just save all the things that at
Yeah,
a time of need we can easily upload it and make sure that our times get saved.
right. So I mean, you are talking about the things which I had pasted in the notepad and I was copying from there. So that is what you are referring to?
Correct, sir.
Okay, yeah, that definitely, because that notepad I have specially created for the training purpose. Because when I am into training, at that time I cannot just sit and think that okay, what headline I will put, what description I will put. So I mean that will be, I mean not, I mean it will waste a lot of time. So I need to save time. So for in order for that, I yes, I prepared a notepad, and you we can use this in the training. So I mean, this is that is just for the training purpose, but actually when we create ad, we write the actual content that we want to promote, what product or service, what course I'm promoting. So that time we generate the content as per the requirement, but that this content is okay, fine. Yes, if you are doing some ads regularly, then yes, you can create a notepad. I mean, that is advisable. That's the best part, because it's a ready reference, and it will save your time as well. So yes, you can also use the same methods.
And like thank you so much for the intro part. And the second doubt I had was preview of app promotion part and sales part. So preview
Hmm.
part you just showed me, and I got the preview part how it looked
Hmm.
like. Band in clients, whether they are using laptop, smartphone, any of the devices, how
Right,
they will how it would be looking.
right.
So I just saw the preview part because I should only be aware, right, how my ads or the campaign look like. At least it can
Yes,
attract.
you can,
Uh-huh.
I mean, you can see, I mean, of course, if you are creating the ads, you should be the first one to know that how your ads will look when it is published on various platforms. But in case if you are doing this ad for your clients, or for your boss, in that case you can share that URL. See, we had activated that share a link. So that link you can copy and send it to your your client or your boss. So anyone with that link can preview the ads. So I mean that can be seen by anyone. So this is that is the whole purpose of uh, the ad sharing, so that I mean people can see that how does your ad look like. So I mean once they approve, then you can activate the ad. So that is the whole purpose behind having a advanced preview with the sharing URL option.
Correct. And the last part, like you just for the reference, you just told pixel. What exactly I wanted to know, because pixel part we haven't covered or haven't listened
I
about
mean,
the
pixel.
pixel from anyone's.
Yeah, I mean, see, pixel is a some 2 to 3 lines of JavaScript code which you can add in your website. That's it. So, I mean, you will get the code from business settings. So, I mean, you when you create a Facebook ads account over there, you can just search for pixel, and then it will take you to the business manager, and then from that business manager you will get to see the pixel. So I mean over there you have the option that okay, you can email the instructions, or you can if you are using some plugins on WordPress, then it's very easy. I mean if you don't need to manually do anything, you just connect your Facebook account with WordPress and it's done. So I mean, nowadays, previously the plugins were not available, but now you have hundreds of plugins with which you can connect your pixel to your website. So yeah, I mean, that's good. You can use that option for WordPress plugins. But in case, I mean, I don't expect everyone to be using WordPress website. Somebody might be using customized website or maybe using some other CMS. In that case, they can just copy the code and you can select the option to email instruction to the developer. So, I mean, you can just enter the email address, your email address, and they will email you the code, which you can just copy and paste it in your website. So, under head and body and all those things, so it will give you all the instructions where you need to paste that code. So that's it. I mean, it's not that difficult, but yes, I will show you where we can install, from where we can get the pixel and everything. I mean, it will not take more time, but I will send you the instructions also, so that meanwhile you can also explore from where you can get pixel. I mean, even if you search on Google also to get the pixel, you will get the pixel. I mean, it's very easy. So that is when you create ads, at that time you get those options. So in the ad also, if you don't have a pixel, you can create a pixel. So that option is also available. So if you like, how we did not have a catalog and we created a catalog, so like that, we have options at all the places. So but still, I will send you all the instructions to create the pixel, how, from where you can get the pixels, so it would be easy for you. And in case, I will also show you to you in the next session. So yeah, and I just wanted to update that next, I think 1 or 2 weeks I won't be available because I'm traveling to Gujarat. So I mean, 9th, about 16 I will update you, but on 9th definitely I'm not available. So just to inform you, but I'll still keep you updated. If I'm free on 9th, then I will let you know, or else we'll have our lecture on 16th or 23rd. So I'll keep you updated. I'll keep you posted.
No worries, sir. About the lecture, you can let me know a day prior or two prior. Uh, so it will work because if you are skipping, then also I will. I just require like if you're not available, at least if you can update the few last session videos in the portal, so it will be
Oh,
great to
yes.
re-revise the thing.
Yeah, yeah. See, I mean, now since I'm traveling, say, I will have time. See, I mean, now all these days I was traveling for lectures and having various lectures. So yeah, I did not get time. But yeah, now this was the last lecture before my trip. So now I have time. So I will upload it and I will send it to you.
Yes, sir. Because all the lectures, all the 5 6 lectures which you have uploaded, I have
Hmm.
just went through it. I have just re-revised twice,
Hmm.
thrice, and I am trying to do the practical part. Last week, you just
Hmm.
forwarded the server, so I'm just creating the part. But apart from that, if you can also share the updated videos, so it will be great. So while the traveling part, I can uh, go through the videos and I can note it down the key
Absolutely,
points.
absolutely. I'll upload it and I'll send it.
And I hope the things will cover soon. And now, what would be the next topic, sir, to be covered in upcoming time?
Yes, now see, if we talk about the remaining topics, now we have email marketing, affiliate marketing, YouTube and video marketing, and then you can have any sessions related to any doubts you need to practice, and that's it. So, and now we have email marketing, affiliate marketing, and YouTube and video marketing. So these are the three modules that are remaining.
Okay, so I guess the most of the body part we have covered. Only the footer part is left over in the digital marketing session, right, sir?
Right.
Chalega. So I will just make sure that from your words, from the lectures, from the info which you have provided, I just need to do the practice session. And if any doubts or questions I do have, definitely I will revert you. And I am just expecting ki the next lecture, 90% I am just expecting ki it wouldn't be there. I am planning for 16, sir. Okay.
Oh, okay, fine. So, yeah, I think today it's February ninth. Ninth. Yeah, I'll update you for the next lecture in case. But next lecture I'm not available. But for 16th or 23rd, I'll update you.
Means ninth, I can plan for something else, right, sir?
Yes, yes,
With apart from
absolutely.
that.
Yes, yes. It's you can take an off. I mean, that's 100% off on 9th.
Okay, so it will be great. So I hope the ninth, till the ninth, I get thorough with all the modules apart from this, and practical part I can continue.
Right.
And for the 16th or 23rd, I hope you will revert me next week if possible. Then, sir.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
absolutely. Before 14th of Feb, I will let you know.
Absolutely, it will work for me, sir. Hmm?
All right, fine.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, Hitesh, sir,
Okay, yeah.
for your wonderful services.